Hi everyone, I'm Amy, one of the RMS Beauty Ambassadors, and I'm going to show you how to achieve a quick everyday makeup look. Starting with your under eye shade of Uncover Up, mine is 22.5, we're going to conceal any dark circles under the eye. The 0.5 shades of the RMS Beauty Uncover Up are fantastic for under the eye because they really cut through those purple and blue pigments. Using your ring finger to warm up the product, you're going to gently work it into the inner corner of your tear trough up against the bridge of the nose. Then a little bit more on the outer corner in an upward sweeping motion to lift the eye. You can already see my under eye looks a lot more well rested on the side that I've already applied the Uncover Up. Next, use your regular shade of Uncover Up, mine is 33, to do your all over coverage if you like, or to conceal any problem areas. You can use a brush for this or just your finger. You can use it as an all over foundation or just to spot conceal. Next, using the eye polish, we're going to add a little eye color. This is the shade Embrace, which I am a fan of. I think it's such a beautiful color. You can use the eye polish brush or your fingers to apply this, and this color would be especially beautiful for those of you with green eyes. Next, using lip to cheek, I am using shade Demure here, and I'm going to pop a little bit on my cheeks. Again, just using my fingers to blend it out. It's very easily blendable, but also very easily buildable if you like more pigment. I'm going to also use the same shade on my lips. Using the same shade of lip to cheek on the cheeks and the lips really just pulls the whole look together. Next, using the Champagne Rosé Luminizer, we're going to add some luminosity to certain parts of our face, including the upper cheekbone here. The bridge of the nose. And a little trick is to add some to the center of the pout on top of your lip product to really give that pouty look. Then adding a little bit to the center of the lid really just gives you that wide-eyed look as well. This is a trick that I learned from Rosemary. Next, go in with a little bit of mascara. And there we have an easy but polished everyday makeup look.